dangerous.
Hi, Noah.
His name is on it.
Okay. There you go.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look where you're driving and keep your feet going. Make your turn.
Good job, Luce. Keep going. Good girl. Whoa, you're so fast. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm just reading. Lucy.
She's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Can you turn her around at the end and bring her back?
End up in the circus, so you're
Oh, boy.
Well, the way her balance is and everything, her athletic ability, I think she'll be in the Olympics.
And she's fallen a couple times, and I said, oh, I guess maybe you should walk, and she stops crying. She said, no, ride.
There he comes.
Hi, Noah.
Good boy.
Already.
BSU. Boise State.
Whoa, where did they go? Watch where you're going. Go between Grandpa and Mommy.
Woohoo! Pedal, girl, pedal.
This is a
Good
big
girl. Good girl.
Look at her go. Look at her go. Can't believe it. Oh, it's amazing. Well, when I saw it raining, I thought, oh, I'm not going to be able to watch her tonight. And then it seemed to be cleared up, and I thought, oh, maybe we will.
More bike riding.
Going.
Whoa. Hi, Lucy.
Keep pedaling.
Can you say hi?
Keep pedaling.
Look at her.
Mommy.
Should we go all the way around the block?
Mommy.
Okay, let's go.
What?
When I cook, you fast.
I will. And you say hi.
How she goes. Look at her.
Okay, come on through. They want you to ride with them. Woohoo! Yay!
Good for you, Noah.
Big boy bike.
He wanted to hear all the hymns on that. Does he anymore?
Noah, do you fall? Not really. Once in a while. Do you fall once in a while?
Beautiful dog.
Doggy.
Black Beauty.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. I love your dog.
Thank you.
You're a little junkie.
Come on, Emma. Good job, Lucy. Woo! Are you going to keep going?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
keep going.
Which way?
Pedal, girl.
Which way are you going to go? Down that way?
Let's go around the corner to where Dad is.
Swim to Daddy, Lucy. Swim to Daddy. Come here. Come here, Luce. Come on.
Dad, where did all the water go?
I don't have that kind of money.
Get my foot.
Yay! Hi, Nona.
Can you tell us a joke, Noah?
Hi.
What are you doing, Noah? You cleaning out your belly button? Lucy, you gonna get on the water? Let Lucy try, Noah. Can you swim, Noah?
Help me. Oh.
You helping Mama come back in, Luce?
Oh, thank you. Oh my God. I'm breaking my finger.
Daddy, look at me floating away.
You're floating away? What are you doing, Luce? Mommy, she's gonna swim with you? Get in there and swim out to her. Get in there. Jump in. You can jump in. Jump in. Woo! Swim to Mama.